In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a balance sheet from QuickBooks Online using Google Chrome. We'll walk through logging in, finding the report, setting the right dates, and getting a clean printout or export. By the end, you'll have a professional balance sheet ready for meetings, reviews, or your files. First, open Google Chrome and sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Using Chrome helps ensure the buttons and print features work smoothly. Once you're in, confirm you're in the correct company, especially if you manage more than one. It's easy to switch, but it's even easier to miss, so take a second to double check. From the main dashboard, look to the left navigation and click Reports. This opens the Report Center where you can search or browse. At the top, use the search bar and type Balance Sheet. You'll see options like Balance Sheet or Balance Sheet Detail. Choose Balance Sheet for the standard snapshot of your assets, liabilities, and equity. When the report opens, set the date range you need. The balance sheet is a point-in-time report, so it's based on an as-of date rather than a span of days. You can pick options like today, this month, this fiscal year, or enter a custom date if you're preparing month-end or year-end statements. If you're reconciling or comparing periods, make sure that date reflects the exact day you want the snapshot. After setting the date, let the report refresh so totals reflect your selection. Now you're ready to print or export. In the upper right, click the print icon if you want to send it directly to your printer. If you prefer to save a copy first, choose Export, and then select PDF for a polished, ready-to-share document, or Excel if you plan to analyze or reformat the numbers further. PDF is best for consistency and layout, while Excel is ideal for edits and custom calculations. If you click Print, Chrome's print preview will open. Review the pages to make sure everything fits. Adjust settings like layout to portrait or landscape depending on how wide your accounts run. If the numbers wrap or get cut off, try a smaller scale or fit to page. You can also choose paper size, tweak margins, and decide whether to include headers and footers. When everything looks good, select your printer, confirm the page range, and click Print. That's it. You've logged in, found the balance sheet, set the right date, and printed or exported a clean report, ready for your records.